Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install Valorant on PC or laptop. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Valorant is a free-to-play tactical first-person shooter game developed by Riot Games where two teams of 5 players compete to plan or defuse a spike on purpose-built maps. Players choose from unique characters called agents, each with distinct abilities, and the game requires precise gunplay, strategic teamplay, and the intelligent use of these agent abilities to win rounds and outshine the competition. So what if you want to install this game to your laptop or PC? It's very simple. First of course, we have to you can open your browser, you can search for download Valorant. You can just go to valorant.com. So here, you've entered the Valorant. Wait, I will change the language first. So now, there is an option play for free. You can just select on that. Choose your platform. If you use laptop or PC, you can just choose on PC. You can get set up to play. If you already have Riot account, you can just sign in. If you don't have, you can just create one. You can create one. You can also create an account with your Facebook. For example, I will just use my Facebook account. So I will link with my Facebook. You can continue. And there is an option download. You can just select on that. Now it's downloading. We can just wait until it finishes. Now it's finished. You can open to the file. You want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You can select on yes. Now we can just install it. Select on install. We can just wait until it finish. Now it's installing to our laptop or PC. And we are done. You can just wait. Don't forget to select on yes. You can enter to your account. Because we want to download it, install it with Riot Games, you have to agree with the term.
I got this.
Term of service.
Going up.
Now we have finished download it. If you want to play the games, you can just select on play. You can create your game name and also the tagline. Create, select on create. You know create your Riot ID. It's very simple, right? So that is how to play Valorant, how to install Valorant on your PC or laptop. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.